If there were an opinion poll asking Pakistanis who their favorite leader is today, one could be certain that New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda would be a hot favorite, if not occupy the top spot herself. First up, her conduct has been exceptional and exemplary since the March 15 terrorist attack on two Christchurch mosques that killed 50 Muslims gathered for Jummah prayers. First up, she has not put a foot wrong and has led her nation with incredible amounts of empathy and displayed remarkable compassion for the tiny Muslim community in New Zealand. First up, her decision to address a commemoration event yesterday attired in black and wearing a head scarf like she wore when she first met some of the affected families and asking state television and radio to broadcast live the Friday Azan were also indicative of how keen she was to reach out to the Muslims. First up, she quoted the Prophet, peace be upon him, in her address to the Friday gathering, which was followed by the Azan broadcast by television and radio across the countrywide network. First up, Miss Ardern did not feel constrained by the views of our own coalition partners, the New Zealand First Party, that seems to take inspiration from US President Donald Trump and its leader and her Deputy Prime Minister Winston Peters, who has made outrageous remarks in the past, such as saying that moderate and militant Muslims were hand in glove. First up, Miss Ardern's words and gestures seem to suggest that she deeply feels the pain of the Muslim community that forms a mere 1% of the country's population, so one can be sure that her response was no political stunt aimed at Winnipeg, a sizable chunk of electoral support. First up, if you ask me, her leadership over a mere week has done more to douse the flames of hatred based on faith, race, and other such considerations than the entire terms in office of many of her peers across the world in what should be an example for these leaders to emulate. First up,